Right. Good evening, everyone. Online students, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond in the chat. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond in the chat, guys. Please respond. Please respond. Right. So yeah, very good evening, guys. Very good evening. All right. So you can hear me and you can see the screen. Right. So let us start our session here today. So guys, now before starting our session, just now 5:30, by 5:30 today 5:30 I got a success story from one of our students, which I have already uploaded in my Instagram, but I just want to share this story with you also. Please. His name is Sumant, and he is from chemical engineering background, not IT, non-IT, completely non-IT. And he got 2 job offers. First one is BDA. Actually, BDA is not coder. I mean, not coding. That is business development analyst. To be precise, sales job role in Byju's, by the way. And second one is Infosys, perfectly system engineer role, completely Java developer. He got a package of 3.6 lakhs, and of course he joined Infosys. And these are the interview questions which he faced, like self-introduction, features of Java, what are the features, and questions related to OOPS features. As I said, there are mainly 4 features of OOPS are there: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Those 4 features, he faced one of the questions in encapsulation. Some projects, like if he done any projects, why obviously there will not be any Java projects. Why? Because he's from chemical engineering background, right? So no. After that, he just explained whatever the project he has done in BTech. That's it. His dream came true. 3.6 lakhs package as a system engineer in Infosys. Right now in Mysore campus. He's in Mysore campus. Training. Yeah, obviously training. I'm very happy to share this success story with you guys. I'm expecting, yes, seriously, I'm very happy to share this success story. I'm expecting similar kind of mail from you guys also. I want to show your success story also to my other students. Can I? Very soon? Please keep like a target maximum below 2 to 3 months. Keep like a target maximum below 2 to 3 months. You should be seeing yourselves in a company. As simple as this. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Okay, so just let me mark this as my success story here. And yes, all these are success stories of different students. I'm expecting your story also will be coming here under my label. Yes? Right. Yeah, that is great. That is great, guys. That is great. All right, guys. All right. So let us start our session here today. So for the people, guys, actually yesterday, some people did not attended the class due to some so-and-so reasons. Yesterday, I did not discuss any topic, guys. I just gave you some tasks, right? So yesterday there is no technical discussion. In fact, there is logical discussion. Like I gave you some tasks and you guys have done that. Okay. Now today we'll be trying to continue with our control flow statements. So yes, as I said, there are three types of control statements are there: selection, iteration, and jump statements. We have successfully done with our selection statements like if else, if, and switch. Now today we are going to start discussing about iteration statements. So we will be taking today Monday also for completing iteration statements, guys. Okay. So please keep your siding as iteration statements. Iteration statements. Not on a small point. Not on a small point. Java iteration statements. Please note on a small point. Java iteration statements enable Java iteration statements enable repeated execution. Java iteration statements enable repeated execution of part of a program until a certain termination condition becomes true. Until a certain termination condition becomes true. Now please underline repeated execution. Please underline repeated execution. Next point. Next small point. Yes, Java provides 4 iteration statements. Java provides 4 iteration statements. First one, while, do while. First one is while, WHILE, while. Second one is do, a small hyphen, do while. Third one is for, FOR, for. Finally, fourth one is for each, EACH, for each. Okay. Now, iteration statements, just ITERATION, iteration statements. Right. Iteration statements. Now, guys, today let me just try to start discussing about while and do while. First, I want to give you the syntax of while, and after that do while. Okay, let us first try to discuss about while and do while. After that we'll be going with for. Okay, so very simple basic syntax, literally very simple syntax. While, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. Inside this parenthesis we need to give a condition, CONDITION, condition. For if we have given condition, for if else we have given condition, for if else if we have given condition, for switch what we have given, key. For switch we have given key, not condition. Come on guys, concentrate, please respond with an answer. So in switch, guys, there are a lot of important points. I believe you already remember them. Did you? Yes or no? How many data types switch accepts? What are those? And char, right? So along with these 4 data types, from Java 1.5 version onwards, switch started accepting their respective wrapper classes also. From Java 1.7 version onwards, switch started accepting strings also. So a lot of important points are there. Every point is an answer for a question. So please don't forget them. Please don't forget them. Okay. Now, while after that, here, just let me try to write like this, some statement. Here we'll be trying to write some statement like this. Okay. This is the syntax for while. Just while syntax. While syntax. Now, just let me try to go with the syntax for do while also. Do, open braces, close braces, open braces, close braces. Inside this, I am giving some statements like this, just some basic statement. And after that, while, while, while. Now here again, I need to write a condition, CONDITION condition, and most importantly, semicolon. Very, very, very importantly, semicolon. Guys, whenever you are writing do while, most of the time people will be forgetting this semicolon. Trust me when I say this. Most of the time, students will be forgetting this semicolon. So just let me try to highlight this. Don't forget writing the semicolon. Okay. Okay. This is the syntax for do while. As simple as this. As simple as this. Okay. So just let me try to write while syntax, okay, while SYNTX syntax, and this is the syntax for do while. Do while SYNTX, do while syntax, as simple as this. Now, let us try to understand what and how while and do while will be working. Right. Now, first, whenever the compiler came across while, whenever, guys, please listen to this correctly. Please listen to this explanation correctly. It may seem easy. It may seem easy, but please understand it correctly. Whenever the compiler came across while loop, first, I'm saying loop, L-O-O-P, loop. Loop means the compiler will execute the same statements again and again and again and again. Now, please observe. Whenever the compiler came across while, first it will check the condition. It will check the condition. If the condition is true, compiler will enter into the loop. Now, inside this syntax, how many statements I have written? 2 statements. First, this statement will be getting executed. After that, second statement will be getting executed. After executing first statement and second statement, after executing all the statements which are present inside the while loop, then compiler will again go and checks the condition. Again, the condition will be checked once again. If the condition is true, again enter into the loop. Execute first statement, execute second statement, and after that, again go and checks the condition. So this process will continue. This process will continue until the condition is false. This process will continue until the condition is false. As simple as this, not more than that. Now, let us come to do while. In do while, what will be happening, you know? First, do. Okay, whenever the compiler came across do, we are literally insisting the compiler. We are literally asking the compiler to do what? It will execute first statement. It will execute second statement. After executing the first statement and second statement, once again, listen. After executing the first statement and second statement, then compiler will be coming and checking the condition. If the condition is true, again compiler will be going to enter into this do loop. Now, Just let me try to see this with the help of some methods. Void a method one. Just let me try to have a method system.out.println. Let me go with like method one like this. Method one like this. Okay, I want to make it like a parameterized method. Parameterized method. Now here I just want to go with while parenthesis, open braces, close braces. After that, just let me try to go with system.out.println method one execution completed. Method one execution completed. Now here I am trying to give a condition int. Let me go with I equal. Let me just try to go with like this. Okay, here already I have given a, right? So the condition is a should be less than or equal to 5. Just a should be less than or equal to 5. And after that, system.out.println a value plus a, like that. As simple as this. Okay. Now I just want to call my method one. Let me go to my main method. Okay. Inside the main method, you know what I need to do. What I need to do, I want to call method one. Tell me. Create an object with the help of, come on, tell me, with the help of new keyword. And after that, initialize that object with the help of a which constructor? Default constructor of class A. Okay, so constructor name will be same name as class name. Just let me try to have a reference. AOBJ belongs to class A, like that. And after that, just simply let me just try to go with AOBJ dot method one, and I'm giving method one a value as 1. That's it, as simple as this. Now what is the output? Wait. Speak and come back. Have a call and come back. No problem. If you are having a call, guys, important call, I understand. Go out, speak and come back. No problem. Happens. But if you are present in my class, I don't want to miss the topic. Guys, you already know that my eye contact will be with each and everyone, right? Please. So right now you missed the topic. So please, if you face the same question in interview, I don't want that to be happen. Are you guys understanding me, guys? This is not only for him, for everyone. If you're getting a call, feel free. Please go, speak and come back. Why? Because in the class, if you are speaking a call, neighbors will be disturbed. Most probably I will be disturbed. So please. Okay. All right. Now come on. Tell me how many times a value will be printed? Exactly 5 times or infinite times? Infinite times. A value will be printed for infinite times. Okay, infinite times how? What is the A value? 1 will be printed for infinite times. How? Guys, that is what. Just please observe here. Whenever we are trying to call method 1, okay, method 1 is a parameterized method, and what is A value? A value is 1. Entering into this method, system.out.println, method 1 will be printed. This will be printed. After that, while A, what is A value? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5. Checking the condition. 1 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, the condition is true. The condition is true. If the condition is true, enter into the while loop. Inside this while loop, I have written only one statement. Sir, how many statements I can write inside while? Your wish. Any valid Java statement. Sir, can I write if? Yeah, why not? Can I write switch? Yes, you can write switch. No problem, guys. Inside while, you can write if, you can write if else, you can write if else if, you can write switch also. Not at all a trouble. Okay. Now here, right. System.out.println a value. What is a value? A value is 1. Okay. 1 will be printed. After that, are there any statements left behind here? No. Again checking the condition. Again checking the condition. What is a value? Still 1 only, right? Now the condition is true. Condition is true. Again enter into the loop. Again system.out.println a value is 1. Guys, did you understand the flow here? Now, right now, if I execute my program, I will be getting my output as infinite while loop. Let me just try to terminate this. Okay. Now I'm doing a small change here. I'll be just going with a plus plus like that. Now what is my output? How many times a value will be printed? Exactly. Right now, a value will be printed for 5 times. Now here, what is like how the execution procedure is going on? First, a value is 1. Okay, the condition is true. Enter into the while loop. System.out.println a value, what is a value? 1 will be printed. After that, line number 11 will be getting executed. A plus plus means after executing line number 11, a value will be incremented to 2. After executing line number 11, a value will be executed to 2, checking the condition 2 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, the condition is true. Enter into the loop, enter into the while loop. Again, system.out.println a value 2 will be printed. After that, a value will be incremented to 3. The same 3 will be printed here. After that, a value will be incremented to 4. Same 4 will be printed. One more iteration, a value will be incremented to 5. Less than or equal to 5. 5 also will be printed here. Now, after that, a value will be incremented to 6. A value will be incremented to 6. After that, checking the condition 6 is less than or equal to 5. The condition is false. Condition is false. Whenever the condition is false, compiler will not enter into this loop. That's it. The loop will be terminated. For example, guys, if I'm trying to print plus a, what is my output here? Come on. Right click, run as Java application, and here my a value got 6. As a value has incremented to 6 here, the condition is false. The loop got terminated. As simple as this. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Is it clear? Right. Online students, is it clear, guys? Please tell me. Guys, online students, you need to respond. Please tell me. Please tell me. Is it clear? Yes. 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 That is good. That is good. Okay. Nice. Right. Now, let me go with one more method. Void method 2. One more method, please. And here, okay, I'll remove this comments. Okay. Now here I'm going with int I. Okay. Int. Okay. Let me go with a. Int a. Now here, this is method 2. Method 2. And after that, here also, I'm just trying to go with method 2 execution completed like this. Okay. Now, inside this, what I'll be trying to do, while, okay, giving the condition a should be less than or equal to 10, or else a should be less than or equal to 3. Enough. A should be less than or equal to 3, and system.out.println a value plus, and after that, just let me try to go with a plus plus. A plus plus like this. Now I'm just trying to call a obj dot method 2 and I'm giving a value as 1. A value as 1. That's it. What is my output? What is the difference between method 1 and method 2? I'm sorry, what? Parenthesis. I mean, square braces, not square braces, flower braces. Flower braces is missing here. Okay. Point number 1. Can I write like that? Yes, I can write like that. Why? Because I'm not getting any compile time error. So I can write. Flower braces are not mandatory. I can write. Okay. Now, second point is, what is my output? Infinite loop or a value will be 1, 2, 3. Try to answer this by comparing if else. In if else also, we did not write flower braces. Did you remember that? If we are not writing flower braces, how many statements are dependent on the condition? Only one statement. Right now, in this particular method 2, in this condition, how many statements are dependent on this condition? Only one statement. What is that? Line number 19. A plus plus. When A plus plus will be getting executed? Once the compiler came out from the while loop. Come on, guys. Yes or no? Right now, if you are executing our program, just please check this. Again, same infinite loop. Guys, I hope you're understanding me. Now, here also, if I'm not writing flower braces, can I write a declarative statement like this? No. If you are trying to write a declarative statement, you will be getting an compile time error. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. So if we are not writing flower braces, only one statement is dependent on the while. Only one statement. I hope you're understanding me. So right now, this method 2 will be generating an infinite loop. Infinite loop will be generated. That is the reason I am keeping this in comment. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, kindly please respond. Guys, kindly please respond. Is it clear? Guys, please respond. Please respond. Method 2, is it clear for everyone? Method 2. Method 2. Guys, come on. Yeah, that is great. That is great. Very good. Now, let us go with method 3. Let us go with method 3. Okay. Now, guys, please check this. Let me try to have void method 3 like this, and here simply just let me try to take int a, and here also guys, is it okay if I'm writing multiple methods like this? If I'm trying to write multiple methods like this, all the concepts will be present at a single program. Instead of searching for the concepts, easily you will be able to get it. I hope it's okay for everyone. Okay, now method 3. Okay, so just let me try to copy. Why this is method 2. Okay, now just let me try to make it as method 3 like this. Okay, now here just copy it, paste it. This is method 3. Method 3. Now here, what I'll be doing, let me do one thing. While directly I want to give a Boolean value. Directly I want to give a Boolean value. True or false. Can I give? Am I going to get any error? Are you sure? Last chance. Please think here. Last chance. Okay. Now please check this. I'm trying to write system.out.println. System.out.println here a value plus a And here I'm going with a plus plus. Now here directly I am trying to give true. Am I getting an error? No, I am getting an error. But for if else, did I got error? What I got a warning like dead code. Dead code. Come on, guys, yes or no? Then why for while we are getting a warning? Okay, guys, let me ask you one thing. In if else, how many times that block will be getting executed? Only once. Only once. Right now, when the compiler will be coming out from while loop, condition is always true. Always true. Is it going to come out? So, is this code reachable by the compiler? Is this code reachable by the compiler? No. It is a unreachable code. This is a unreachable code to the compiler. For dead code, you will not be getting any compile time error. If it is a unreachable code, you will be getting a compile time error. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Okay, now please check this. Please check this right now. Just let me try to keep this line in comment. If I keep that line in comment, fine, no problem. Okay, now let me just try to execute my method aobj dot method 3, and I'm trying to give a value as 1. What is my output? What is my output? Again, infinite loop only, but a value will be continuously incremented. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Are you getting it? Right. Just let me try to close it. Okay. Now, again, here also INFINIT, infinite loop. For example, if I'm giving this condition as false, am I going to get a compile time error now? Think and answer. Right now in method 3, if I give the condition as false, am I going to get an error or not? FALSE, false. I'll be getting an error. Why? Because whatever the code which is present inside the while loop is unreachable code. Are you understanding me here, guys? Online students, kindly please respond. Guys, please respond. Salman, you're asking, sir, up to when the loop will be stopped? Maximum range of int. Please check with that. Please check with that. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Yes, that is good. That is good. Okay. Now, guys, please check this. Let me make this as true. Let me make this as true. Okay. Right. Now, one more method. Just one more method. I'm going with void method 4. Void method 4. Right now, inside this method 4, I'm trying to go with int a. Now, what I'll be doing, I'll be trying to implement do while. Shall we? Okay. See, please check this. Do. Okay. Here, this is method 4, right? Okay. Just let me try to go with this is method 4, and here also I'm just trying to write it as method 4 execution completed. Okay, now do I'm asking the compiler system.out.println a value plus a value plus a and a plus plus. After that, while guys, just remember the syntax. After that, while I need to give a condition. I am giving the condition A should be less than or equal to 5. A should be less than or equal to 5. As simple as this. And kindly please don't forget that semicolon. Please don't forget that semicolon. If you are not writing semicolon, you will be getting a compile time error. Please, please. Okay. Now, let me go with AOBJ dot method 4 and A value, I am giving A value as 10. A value as 10. Okay. Now I am trying to execute my method 1 also. Method 1. Here A value for method 1 is also 10. Are you understanding me? Let us just check with method 1 once. Let us check method 1. Okay. What is A value right now? A value is 10. What is my output right now? Is this line number 7 will be getting executed? Line number 10 will be getting executed? Yes or no? Why? Condition is okay. Line number 13 will be getting executed. So our output will be method 1, and method 1 execution completed, and A value is that is our output. Now let us come to method 4. In method 4, line number 36 will be getting executed. 100%. Obviously, it will be getting executed. Now we are asking the compiler to do what? To print system.out.println A value A. So what is A value? Is it going to get executed? Yes, it will be getting executed. Okay. After printing line number 39, what is A value? It will be incremented to 11. Right now, A value is 11. Remember that. A value is 11. Okay. Now, line number 42. While 11 is less than or equal to 5. No. The condition is false. System.out.println method for execution completed. Let me execute here. Right click, run as Java application. Now, guys, actually, my doubt here is for while loop, whenever we are using while loop, whether the condition is true or false, is it going to execute? Again, same question in another manner. When while loop will be getting executed? If the condition is, when do while loop will be getting executed? Do while loop will be executed at least for once. Do while loop will be getting executed at least for once, irrespective of the condition. Whether the condition is true or false, that does not matter. Compiler will be executing the statements which you have written inside the do for at least for once. Am I clear with this? Right now, for example, if I'm changing this as 1, now tell me, what is our expected output in do? First, method 4 will be getting executed. A value, what is A value? 1. After that, A value got incremented to 2. Checking the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Condition true or false? If the condition is true, compiler will be again entering into do loop. So again, system.out.println A value. What is A value? 2 will be printed. After that, A++ means A value will be incremented to 3. Checking the condition. So on up to A value is 5. After printing A value as 5, here A value will be incremented to 6. Okay, just let me try to write plus A. A value will be incremented to 6. Checking the condition, 6 is less than or equal to 5. No, the condition is false. If the condition is false, compiler will not execute do loop again. Done. That's it. So right now our output will be like this. Guys, one small statement. While loop, if you are trying to write the code in while loop, the code which you have written inside the while, once again, the code which you have written inside the while loop will be executed only if the condition is true. Compiler will enter into the while loop. Once again, compiler will enter into the while loop only if the condition is true. When you are coming to do while, irrespective of the condition, at least for once, the code will be getting executed. Sir, what if the condition is true? If the condition is true, again it will be repeated. Sir, what if the condition is false? If the condition is false, your code will be getting executed at least for once. Now, which one is efficient? While or do while? Guys, according to your opinion, some people will be having while, some people will be having do while, some people will be saying both. But trust me when I say this, as a developer, you want your code to be executed at least for once. You need your code to be executed at least for once. For example, here I have written only 2 statements. In our real-time project, so I'll be writing 100 to 200 lines inside one loop. If those statements are not getting executed, I don't know whether I have written the code correctly or not. Are you understanding me, guys? So this is completely my personal opinion as a programmer. In while and do while, I will vote for do while. Why? Because I want my code to be getting executed at least for once. And yes, there will be some scenarios where while loop is mandatory, but we can overcome those. No problem. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Online students, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Guys, please respond in the chat for me. Online students, is it clear? Right. Okay, guys, please have this program for me, please. Please have this program. Go ahead. Online students. I got a question from Rekha. Sir, what if we don't give any executable statements in the do block? Nothing will happen. Nothing. There is no code execution. That's it. Okay, Rekha? If you are not giving any code, you will not be getting any error. For example, just think like you have written a method. Inside a method, you did not write any code. What happens? Nothing. Okay, Rekha? Manoj, method 2, where, at which line you did not have an idea about method 2, Manoj? Tell me the line number. Line number 19. Okay, Manoj, did you remember in selection statements when we discussed about if else, I said if we are not writing flower braces, only one statement is dependent on the condition. In that single statement, we should not write any declarative statements, I said. Did you remember that? Here also the same principle. In line number 19, in method 2, as I did not write any flower braces, only one statement is dependent on condition. In that statement, I should not be writing any declarative statements. Okay. Please check and tell me, Manoj. Please check that. Please check that once. You will be getting an error, Abhinav. Check that. Please check that. Please check once. Yesterday I gave you a task. Did you complete it? Good. Yeah, I got your program. I got your program, guys. Okay. Akshay, you are asking me, sir, how we know about for while which one we need to use? You are having a confusion. Okay. For example, you are having bike, car, and cycle. Which one you will use if you want to go to another town? Are you going to use cycle? I hope you're understanding me, Akshay. Whenever that situation comes, you'll understand that. Sakshi, you can send me the program in the chat. Very good, Anjani. Very good. Method 2 completed, guys. Please. Method 3 completed for everyone? No? Okay. Please. Please carry on. Sorry. Please carry on. Online students, I'm getting your programs. I'm getting your programs. And once again, I'm saying you guys, online students, please make sure you're having proper internet connection. Why? Because once I pass the line, we cannot go back. Others will be affected. So please try to write the program first. I'm requesting you with that. I hope you are understanding me. Why? Because 300 students. I hope you're understanding me. Please make sure you are having proper internet connection. Mahajan, can you please tell me that? Please tell me. Just check and tell me, buddy. Go ahead. Just check. If you check, you will understand. Right now, I'll be waiting for your reply. Yeah. Got it, Manoj? Just check that. Just check it. If you check it, you'll understand. If I say, you will forget. Just check once. Completed. Online students, if completed, please inform me. Guys, if completed, please inform me. Right. Okay. I hope it's complete, guys, for everyone. Guys, is it done for everyone? Right. Now, all right. So, guys, when you are speaking about iteration statements, there are how many iteration statements are there? 4 iteration statements are there. While, do while, for, and for each. Okay. So just now we have completed while and do while. As a matter of fact, we have already covered break statement also. Yes or no? When we covered break statement? In switch. What break statement will do? I'm sorry, what? It will just come out from the loop. Is it clear for everyone? Come on. Okay. Write the program. Write the program and try to give me the output. Write the program and try to please check the output. Give me the output. Manmohan, is it okay? Clear? You need to be fast, buddy. Manmohan, please be fast. Manmohan, did you write? Tell me, respond. 10 times you kept a message. Sir, please show method 2, method 2, method 2, method 2. I have given ample time. What you are doing in the time? Please, write. It's okay, buddy. No problem. Okay. Try to use shortcut. Fine. Try to use shortcuts. No issues. This is double equal to, by the way. Double equal to. Okay. double equal to. Yeah, sure. Try to give complete outputs, not single output. Salman, don't give me fast output, Salman. Give me correct output. Completed? Completed? I'm coming. Just a sec. I'm trying to give you a small task for you. This is the program. This is the program like this. Okay. Let me check my online students outputs also. Guys, I already said, you already know what is the use of break statement. You already know what is the use of break statement. Okay. Gupta, no. Salman, no. Wrong output. Sainath, perfect output. No, no yeah, perfect output, Sainath. Yes, yes. All right. Yeah, yeah. That is good. That is good. Guys, online students, I can see your outputs. That is great. Let me check with my offline students outputs also. Just a second. All right. All right. All right. So guys, I'm getting mixed outputs here. Now, the output for this program is right click, run as Java application. This is the output for this program. Online students, I got your outputs, guys. Yes, I got your outputs. That is great. That is nice. That is nice. That is nice. This is the output for this program. Now, I'm going to give you a task. Two tasks. First task. First task. Analyze how you got this output. That is the first task. Tomorrow is Sunday. Analyze, please analyze how you got this output. I already said break statement will make you come out from the loop. But here we are using two loops. So if you are using break statement in inner loops concepts, then what will be happening, you know, it will be coming out from the inner loop. Just from the inner loop. Okay. So anyways, just please try to analyze how we are getting this output. That is one task for you. One task for you. And second task is, guys, please listen. One more task. One more task. Shall I remove this? Anyone writing it down? Okay, I'm removing this. I'm removing this. Okay. Now, second task. Sorry. Second task. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. I challenge you to give the correct output for this program. Ganjan, that is what I'm trying to say. I mean, Ganjan Patil, please analyze. Please analyze. Did I give you a task like this? Come on. Carry on. Go ahead. Challenge accepted. Guys, please promise me tomorrow you will try to analyze this program output. Don't write this program in the Eclipse and don't check. You first analyze the program, you get the output, then check it in Eclipse. Then check it in Eclipse. I have already explained this kind of concepts. I already explained this kind of concept. You need to do this. This is your task. So Ramakrishna, you are asking, sir, line number 16 is correct. Yes, it is correct. Line number 18 is also correct. If it is wrong, you will be getting an error. Are you getting any error? Then go ahead. Come on. What? Did you think I'm going to leave you on Sunday? No way. Come on. Yes, of course. Of course. Guys, please don't skip this program. I'm requesting you. Please don't skip this program. Please. Okay, let me help you. I'm going to say you one small thing. In this program, you will not be having any error. Okay. There is no compile time error. There is no runtime error. Happily, this program will be getting executed. Try to remember the concepts of static, the concepts of instance, the concepts of constructor clearly. I challenge you. Guys, please Are you going to do this? Are you going to analyze this program? Tell me. Respond here. Respond with an answer. Yes or no? Yes, that is good. That is good. That is good, guys. Okay. Venkata Subbarao. No. Why? Subbarao, is there any work for you tomorrow? Complete day? You are not going to analyze? Okay. If you are having work, please spend 10 to 15 minutes time for this program, Subbarao. Please. I'm requesting with that. Okay. Just 10 to 15 minutes, please. If you spend 10 to 15 minutes, you will understand. All right. Completed? Online students, I hope it's completed, guys, for everyone. Writing the program. We can write. Ashok, we can write. We can write. Okay. All right, guys. All right. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. So Monday, we'll be trying to complete discussing about for loop, if time permits, for each loop also. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. That's it for today. Have a fantastic weekend. See you on Monday. Thank you. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our session again by Monday. Okay. Rahul, just analyze. Just analyze. Don't try to see all the data at a time. Break the program. Break it. Okay. Break it. Achut, no, actually, he learned along core advanced Oracle also. Okay. All right. It's minus. Gupta, it's just minus. You are just minusing the data. Subtraction. That's it. Not more than that. Yes. Try to minus this data. Add into this C. Okay. Right. Just analyze. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. See you again on Monday.